natural cooling system for water. This is how they are cooling the water. All these pots are being inserted in the earth. Once sufficient cooling is achieved, it is taken out. Mostly it occurs within 24 hours. After this process is completed, nicely.